aspects. Maybe I'll go through it quickly in the process. If we have time, we will do that. Okay, all right. So this is the detailed step by step. Let me just make it a little bigger. Step by step nurturing workflow, ABM performance, and notification. Okay. So in the previous session, we talked about how to set up the workflow in the first place. Let me just show that. So we did this setting in our previous webinars. Okay, that means this is the dashboard for ABM in HubSpot, and you can find it. You can go to HubSpot. You can go to target accounts under Sales Hub. Okay, that means you may have a bunch of accounts, bunch of companies. You may have thousands of companies, but suppose you want to target only 20 companies, and you are a sales rep, and you want to target the 20 Fortune 500 companies, to sell your product and services. So in that way, you can choose a certain number of accounts. Okay, so target accounts, as they call it. Okay, so these are all the accounts. I mean, these are dummy accounts that I've chosen. And basically, right now, going forward, what we're going to do is we're going to find people within this account, build a list, and then run targeted ads and workflows for these people working for these accounts. It's pretty simple. If I go through all the stuff which is there, we have the ideal customer profile tier. For example, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Okay, if I do tier 1, that I can define the tier. For example, these are the most important customer, next most important customer, and next most important customer, and like so on. So you can define those tiers and put those accounts under those tiers. For example, I have put 4 accounts under tier 1. Okay, so these 4 accounts are under tier 1, and then another 4 accounts on tier 2, and I think the rest of them will go under the tier 3. Okay, or I have marked another 3 under the tier 3. Okay, so it's up to you how you're going to do that. So once you determine that, once you assign those tiers, if you go under the companies, so it will start showing up something like this, right? Okay, that means these companies are tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So I have randomly made some companies tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and that's how you are able to see those companies in the dashboard. Okay, and I have marked them target account true. So this is also a very important setting you need to do. If the target account is not true, that means they are not part of account-based marketing. All right. Okay, so if you want to be to make a company part of ABM, you need to mark this as true or include that company in that particular dashboard. So there's a way of including that company in that dashboard as well. So I can mark this particular company as true. So this company is Safe App. I just marked it as true, and I think that's pretty much it. It is already saved, and if I go into target accounts, I should be able to see that. If not, it takes a couple of minutes to update, but I think it's already updated. 17 accounts previously, now it is 18 accounts, right? So it has already come up, as you can see. So it's pretty simple, right? So once you identify, for example, in your ABM approach, you want to target these 18 companies for this particular quarter to account-based marketing, and that's the goal. Okay, maybe you have certain quota assigned to you as a sales rep, and you have been assigned this particular customer list to do more prospecting. Right?